This Milwaukee M18 Fuel 12 inches dual-bevel sliding compound miter saw with one key kit generates the power of 15-amp corded saws and is designed for the professional carpenter, remodeler, and general contractor. The miter saw is up to 15% lighter than competitor saws and delivers up to 330 cuts per charge. It has the same capacity as corded a 12 inches miter saw, giving users the ability to perform all of their critical applications while increasing their portability, efficiency, and productivity on the job site. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. The cordless miter saw features the Milwaukee Power State brushless motor, redlink tool technology, and is powered by M18 redlithium batteries. The saw has a shadow cut line LED light, an adjustable stainless steel detent plate, cam locking miter system, and easy carry side handles, making it a leading miter saw the solution. In addition to the saw, this kit includes one M18 redlithium high-output HD 12.0 battery, an M18 and M12 rapid charger, handles, and clamp. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Power State brushless motor. Purposely built for the M18 Fuel 12 inches miter saw to generate the power and performance of a 15-amp corded miter saw. Number 2. Redlink plus intelligence. Ensures optimal performance and provides overload protection to prevent damage to the tool and battery during heavy applications while still maintaining compatibility across the entire M18 system. Number 3. Redlithium high-output HD 12.0 battery pack. Provides 50% more power and runs 50% cooler versus standard redlithium HD packs. Superior pack construction provides the industry's best protection against job site conditions. Number 4. Generates 15-amp corded power. Up to 15% lighter than leading competitors. Up to 330 cuts per charge. Number 5. Shadow line LED integrated handles. 6 3/4 inches vertical capacity. 2x14 horizontal capacity. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.